Hello there. Today we're looking at how to use ElevenLabs for free. I'll be taking you through the various features, many of which have only just landed on the platform, and I'll show you some of the projects we've been working on here at AI Copywriting Tools. I'll get straight to the good stuff, but first, cheers for watching. If you'd like to see more from us, do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be publishing plenty more ElevenLabs tutorials in the coming weeks, as this channel is all about digital marketing and making the most of AI tools. I made a bit of a blunder when I first signed up. I didn't realize you could use it for free, so I jumped straight onto the creator tier. I'm currently using about 100,000 credits a month, and I've used about 20% of them so far on some rather cool projects. But for those of you looking to start for nothing, the free tier isn't just a trial. You simply sign up for a free account, and you'll get 10,000 credits every single month, absolutely free. A quick heads up, AI Copywriting Tools is an affiliate for ElevenLabs. If you follow the link in our description and eventually decide to upgrade, we'd receive a commission. We'd certainly appreciate the support, but either way, once you're on the site, just stick to the free account, and you can explore everything to the tune of those 10,000 monthly credits. As we go through the tools, you'll see that 10,000 credits actually goes quite a long way. ElevenLabs is best known for AI voice cloning and text-to-speech, but I thought we'd start with the newest features, the image and video generation tools. While ElevenLabs has been a market leader in AI voice for ages, they've recently integrated video generation and editing. In the side menu, you'll see Image and Video and Studio marked as new. Studio is their long-form editor. I've given it a go and wasn't massively keen on it, but that doesn't bother me because the core generation tools work brilliantly. I'm primarily here for the voice and video effects, rather than doing my entire edit inside their platform. Most video generators only do text-to-video or image-to-video. But ElevenLabs now offers video-to-video generation. This means you can upload a clip and have the AI add special effects that would typically require some serious animation skills. When you head to the generator page, you'll see a fair few models. Seed Dance is a much more affordable one that I've used for several projects. Then there's Kling, which is one of the most powerful but also quite expensive. You've also got VO, which is the Google model, and a brand new one called LTX2 Retake, which seems to have appeared just in the last day or so. It's significantly cheaper than Kling, so I'm keen to put that through its paces. One pro tip for managing your credits: you can select your aspect ratio, resolution, and duration, but you can also toggle the audio generation on or off. Turning audio on often makes the generation twice as expensive. If you're just creating a quick 4-second clip to insert into an existing video where you already have audio, you can save a massive amount of credits by leaving it off. Let's look at what we've been building. I made a fun 5-second clip of a robot stepping through a portal, Terminator style. That was done with Seed Dance and cost about 785 credits. I also created some clips for a Nano Banana video. One was a bit of a miss, but the other turned out brilliantly. I even took a still image of a robot at a desk and had the AI animate it and provide a voiceover. It's a fantastic way to save time on digital content. Regarding images, I've used the Seedream model for a few bits, but I probably won't do much image generation here. I already have a Google Workspace subscription which gives me unlimited use of Nano Banana, which, by the way, is one of the most powerful generators out there right now. You can use it on a free Google account too, and I'll link to our tutorial for that in the description. I also tried a custom logo reveal with Seed Dance. It didn't quite work as it missed the actual logo, but the animations were still quite interesting. It just goes to show that picking the right model for the job is key. For instance, Seed Dance was perfect for a 6-second clip I made of a robot dancing with a woman, costing just under 1,000 credits. We also experimented with Kling 2.5 on a book cover animation. It worked well, though it added some odd text at the end, which is where negative prompts come in handy. On my creator plan, I could probably make about 40 or 50 of those a month, but even on the free tier, you could still manage 4 or 5 high-end Kling videos for nothing. Moving through the rest of the platform, we're focusing on the creative side today. They do have an agent platform for managing AI agents, but for now we're sticking to content. If you want to see a deep dive into the agentic side, let me know in the comments. On the Home tab, you can switch between light and dark mode. I massively prefer dark mode, so apologies if the light mode flash caught you off guard there. The quick tools cover everything from instant speech and audiobooks to music and dubbed video. In the Voices tab, you'll find you can clone your own voice or use the ever-growing library of community voices. There's also Voice Design, where you can generate a voice from a text prompt. You can specify accents or even try something weird, like what a talking crocodile might sound like. I recently designed a smooth tenor voice by bumping up the guidance scale to 50%, and the results were impressively natural. In the playground, the main text-to-speech tool allows for up to 5,000 characters at a time. You can see your credit usage clearly in the top corner. You've got control over stability, similarity, and speaker boost, which is on by default for higher quality. Then there's the voice changer, the sound effects tool, great for custom door slams or musical segues, and the voice isolator for cleaning up muddy audio. They've also introduced a templates section in beta, featuring pre-designed prompts like photo to cartoon. We also have the music generator, which has been stellar. I've only made 2 songs because both times it gave me exactly what I wanted on the first go, specifically a lo-fi chill but funky lounge groove. Finally, there's the dubbing tool for lip syncing, speech-to-text for transcription, and audio native, which creates widgets to read website content aloud. There's also a Productions tab if you want to pay their team to handle transcripts or audiobooks for you. So, that's a proper look at how to use ElevenLabs for free. We've covered the pricing, the 10,000 credit free tier, and all the major creative features. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see us cover next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for watching AI copywriting tools. Cheers for watching. If you'd like to see more from us, do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be publishing plenty more ElevenLabs tutorials in the coming weeks, as this channel is all about digital marketing and making the most of AI tools.